We are doing questions in relation to verbal reasoning. Yesterday we had left at the last part, which we saw what was vowels and what are consonants. Vowels we said is A, E, I, O, U, correct? And everything else in the alphabet other than A, E, I, O, U is consonants. Based on this, there are certain questions that we need to discuss today. Now, read it carefully. Our question is, how many such consonants are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a consonant and immediately followed by a number? Now, see the question here, which is immediately preceded by a consonant and immediately followed by a number. तो पहले क्या आएगा? Before is a consonant and after is a number, और इसके बीच में how and is a consonant. So they are saying बीच में consonant है, पहले consonant है, these are alphabets, and after this is a number. So it will be consonant, consonant, number. Okay, and we need to see how many of such are there. So let's see this. We will have to first, to come to this, we will see consonant, consonant. दो consonants कहाँ है? I can see here B and F. दिख रहा है? Two consonants together. But that's not it. They are saying after the consonant there should be a number. So I think I found one. Make sense? Okay. इसके आगे देखते हैं, if we find another one, two consonants, one after the other, M and N. But N के बाद there is a symbol. What it has to be? There should be a number. So ये नहीं है. I found another one, G and P. Okay. So P is another consonant and consonant के बाद है number. So I found two. Can you all find other than this anything else? No. देख लो आराम से. If not, let's lock two. दो मिल गए. Okay. Let's go to the next question. So let's. Okay, the next question. Okay. How many such vowels are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a, preceded मतलब पहले, preceded मतलब before, preceded by a letter. तो यहाँ vowel होना चाहिए, vowel के पहले letter होना चाहिए, but immediately not followed by a symbol. So it could be anything, but it should not be a symbol. It should not be symbol, not a symbol. Okay. Let's see. We have to come to something which is a vowel. Okay, तो पहले very easy this should be ideally. Okay, I can see a O. O के पहले is a letter, fair. O के बाद में is another letter, so it is not a symbol. So I can think of one. एक तो मिल गया मुझे. Let's see. A I found another one, but A is a vowel. A के पहले letter नहीं है, 4 है, तो this goes. Okay, let's go ahead. I मिला. I के पहले letter है, perfect, but I के बाद symbol है. It should not be a symbol. Okay. I can find only one. A, E, I, O, U. So हमारे पास O है, A है, I है, और तो कोई हमारे पास vowel नहीं है. So I can only find one. Can you find more than that? So let's lock one. Okay. You all are getting it? नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? Put it on the chat box. I'll explain it again. Let's see the next one. Which of the following is fourth to the left of the 12th from the left end? Wow. Okay, let's read it again. Which of the following is the fourth to the left of the 12th from the left end? Now don't get confused with this. Okay, ये hi-fi wordings है, चीज बहुत simple है. Okay, let's go back to our awesome. Either let me erase everything which could be a distraction. Okay, this is left, this is right. Now they are saying which is the fourth to the left of the 12th from the left end. Now first you have to find what? The 12th, and उसके बाद fourth. Don't start fourth के बाद 12th. वापस देखो, we have to break this down. Fourth to the left. Left of what? Left of the 12th from the left end. So we have to start from the left end. This will help us from which end to start. So they are saying start from the left end. From the left end, find the 12th alphabet. 12th alphabet का left. Fourth left. Okay. So let us see one. And it's not alphabet, it is the 12th. Which of the following is the fourth to the left from the 12th? Fourth to the left of the 12th. Of the 12th मतलब पहले 12th वाला ढूंढेंगे हम. Okay, so let's find out the 12th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is my 12th one. Okay. अब ये क्या बोल रहे? They are not saying which is the 12th from the left. They are saying which is the fourth of the 12th. Fourth मतलब यहाँ से भी 4 हो सकते हैं, यहाँ से भी 4 हो सकते हैं. But they are saying fourth from the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now see, that means they want the 8th one. We got percentage correct. वापस एक बार देखेंगे. ये 12th आया, इससे 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4. ये मिल गया हमको. Now there is a shortcut to this. Anyone who doesn't understand, please ask. Okay. Now there is a shortcut to this. If both they are talking the 12th and the 4th to the 12th again on the left hand side, we could have आराम से just done, since it is on the same side, we could have just subtracted 12 minus 4. That means the 8th one. क्योंकि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से ही बात कर रहे हैं, हमको 12th पे आना है, 12th से वापस 4 पीछे जाना है, बिकॉज दे आर टॉकिंग ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. बट इफ दे वुड हैव सेड 12th फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट एंड 4 फ्रॉम द राइट ऑफ द 12th, so right would be another extension of 4. If it was on the same side, you will subtract. ये लिख लो कहीं. So here again they are saying 4th to the left, 12th from the left. दोनों left है. Can I say it is the same side? Then you will subtract. If it was the opposite side, we will add. Now I'll explain you. We'll derive this. Okay, they said 12th and then 4th. तो कितना हो गया? 8th. All you have to do is find the 8th from the left side. Okay, अगर ये बोलते opposite side, you would have taken 12th plus 4, you would have directly found the 16th alphabet. Understood? So in our case, let's see if it works. Because हमने क्या किया, पहले 12th वाला ढूंढा, फिर हमने क्या किया, वहां से 4 पीछे चले गए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. फिर वहां से 4 पीछे चले गए. उससे अच्छा हम 8 ही ढूंढ लेते लेफ्ट से. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? Okay. Let's see if this works. Okay. 3 of the following 4 are alike in certain way based on their positive in the above arrangement and so form a group. Based on the positive नहीं, based on the position है. Spelling mistakes होती है इधर. Based on the position in the above arrangement and so form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to the group? Okay, so we will have to see this. 406 सॉरी, देखते हैं क्या है ये. Let me erase this one. So 406. Can I say that they have skipped an alphabet? O6 एक skip किया तब जाके 406 आया. Okay. Let's see the next one. Okay. Let's see the next one. Okay. F percentage A. Okay. F percentage and A. I'm circling this. Again एक छोड़ के एक आ रहा है. Okay. That is also, so that's what they are doing. Let's see the next one what they have done. At the rate -1. At the rate #1. Let's see. At the rate #1. Okay. अब नेक्स्ट वाला देखते हैं क्या है. The last one. So all three they are taking one leaving. $H9. Are they also एक छोड़ के एक? $H. $H and 9 are not. Okay. $H. 9 is immediately afterwards. It क्या होना चाहिए? $H and at the rate. Okay. So I can easily say they have not skipped one over here. So this is the odd one out. Okay. Easy था ये. Let's see the next one. If all symbols are eliminated from the above arrangement, then which of the following will be the fifth to the right of the 10th element from the right end? Okay. Now remember the logic that what we had done. अगर same side पे है, they are both talking about the right end, same side, what you will do, you will subtract. So you will do 10 minus 5. That means they are asking you the fifth item. Okay. Let's see. But they have asked for one more thing. Okay. अगर हमने clearly पढ़ा है, बराबर पढ़ा है, so they are saying if all the symbols are eliminated, तो हमको पहले सारे symbols, this is my right hand side, this is my left hand side, we have to eliminate the symbols and then come to the fifth one without any symbol. So 1 2 3 4 5. Very good. Okay. We need no, हमको तो 5 ही करना है. 10 minus 5. क्यों 10 minus 5 सेम साइड पे था, इसीलिए हमने क्या किया, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. हमें राइट हैंड साइड पे ही चाहिए था. तो वी केम एंड वी डिड नॉट टेक एनी सिंबल इनटू कंसिडरेशन. easy baby stuff. Any questions? Y'all can ask. Okay. Now if you all have understood this whole thing, what we have done so far, there is a mixture of consonants, vowels, numbers, okay, symbols, and then they have asked questions based on this. Now this is verbal reasoning. हमको एक पूरा sequence दिया है, उसके basis पे हमको questions पूछे. Next one is the exact replica of what we have studied so far. Okay, I want you all to do it at your end. We will discuss it, but take 5 minutes and try and solve it, and then we will discuss it. Okay, so I'm reading the first question. Which of the following elements is the fourth to the right of the 12th from the right end? First thing, it should strike you that see, both are talking from the right end. So we will subtract and we will get 8th. As soon as you get the 8th one, we will find out what they have asked. Right hand side के चाहिए हमको. Which of the following element is the fourth to the right of 12th from the right end? So right end से हमको 8th पे जाना है. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8. I am getting 6. If you all are getting another number, please let me know. My maths is very bad, huh? But my logic is good. So based on logic, I have come here. Any questions? I think I'm right. Okay, let's go to the next one. I want you all to do it. Please do it faster than me. How many such numbers are there in the above arrangement which are immediately preceded by a symbol? Preceded मतलब before. तो पहले क्या आना चाहिए? Symbol. और बाद में क्या आना चाहिए? Number. So they are saying how many such numbers are there? तो पहले तो numbers ढूंढ लो, फिर उसके पहले देख लो अगर symbol है कि नहीं. मुझे 3 दिख रहा है, 3 नहीं है. 4 दिख रहा है, 4 नहीं है. 9 दिख रहा है, 9 नहीं है. हाँ, आगे सिंबल होना चाहिए. नहीं है. 2 दिख रहा है, 2 इज इजी. 2 के आगे सिंबल है. ओके. 6 दिख रहा है. हाँ. 7 दिख रहा है बट 7 के आगे सिंबल नहीं है. 8 दिख रहा है, 8 के आगे सिंबल है. आई फाउंड 2. डिड यू ऑल गेट मोर देन दैट? Okay, y'all don't get it, ask me. But obviously now you should get it. Because y'all also have good logic, okay? And it's easy. Okay, can we go to the next one? If started from M, M is interchange with 3 and R is interchange with hash and so on. Then which element will be the 12th from left? I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Now they are interchanging stuff. Okay. M is interchange with 3. R is interchange with hash. ओके. सो जो बाद में है वो पहले आ जाएगा. ओके. एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. दैट इज व्हाट दे आर सेइंग. एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. ओके. सो व्हाट इज माय क्वेश्चन? हाँ, they want 12th from left. That is what they have asked. Kangya, sorry, here we are. Then what is 12th from left? तो हमको left hand side से 12 ढूंढना है और फिर उसको interchange कर देना है. This is my left hand side. Let's go to the 12th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I get 1. 1 is the 12th from the left. Okay. Once you have got the 12th from the left, then we will interchange it. Interchange it with what? जो पहले है वो बाद में आ जाएगा. ओके. सो आइडियली 1 आना चाहिए बट 1 नहीं आएगा क्योंकि हम सब इंटरचेंज कर रहे हैं. हम कैसे इंटरचेंज कर रहे हैं? 3 becomes M, hash becomes R, so 1 will become D. Understood? Easy. You have to first figure out What is the 12th one? This is the 12th one. But हमने क्या किया, इंटरचेंज कर दिया, तो ये क्या आ जाएगा, D आ जाएगा. Okay? If you all have not understood, please ask. Okay, now next one. See, I am not supposed to do this. You all are supposed to do it, and you all have to confirm with me. ये आ गया तुम लोगों को. Okay, next one. What will come next in the following sequence? M, R, P, N, 9, K, U, and F. अरे 5, 2, W. ये क्या लिखा है? पहले यहाँ लिख लेते हैं. Okay. What are they doing? We have to find the sequence. M, R, P. M लिखा, फिर एक छोड़ा R लिखा, फिर दो छोड़ा P लिखा. Okay. Then they have gone left one and written what? Left one and written 9, एक छोड़ा K, फिर दो छोड़ा U. 9K U. Again एक छोड़ेंगे H. Then they have written 5. Left one 2, left 2 W. Correct. 5, 2 W. So what is the next one? You leave one, एक छोड़ेंगे Q, एक छोड़ा 6, that you will leave, T आएगा, और फिर दो छोड़ेंगे asterisk. This is what I am getting. QT. Okay, QT asterisk. All you have to do is find the sequence. I think we have easily found the sequence. 3 of the following 4 are alike in a certain way based on their position in the above arrangement. Which of the following does not belong to the group? Come on, M3, X, R, hash, W. We can do all of this. Come on. So what have they given us? M3X. Okay, we have to find a similarity between them. M3, and where is X? Okay, the last one. So they are taking the first one and the last one, same position, but एक left hand side से, एक right hand side से. Okay, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. Next वाला क्या है? R. Okay, let's take another color. My colors. R. So this is the third last. तो यहाँ आना चाहिए 8. R 8 और फिर hash. ऐसा है क्या? Perfect. Okay, what did they do? They took the third from here and third from this side, right hand side, and then यहाँ से the second one. Okay, easy. Next they have written P. तो यहाँ से कौन सा है P? So they have written P. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sixth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो यहाँ P आएगा तो यहाँ V आ जाएगा. Okay, and the next one after that 4. Perfect. Okay, and उसके बाद they have written K. K is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. तो यहाँ अगर K है तो यहाँ Q आना चाहिए. Okay, but उनने क्या लिखा है? ये लिखा है. Oh, okay. I think that is the wrong one. Which does not belong to the group. The answer is D. This one doesn't belong to the group because they have written KDE. जबकि होना चाहिए KDQ. Are you getting it? It should be what? KDQ. We will also give them the right answer. Okay. I think we have done with this. We can go ahead. Now we come to even more easier stuff. जो हमने किया उससे काफ़ी और easy चीज़ों पे आ जाते हैं. What we have done is level you can say 5. Okay, this is level 4. We have to go to level 10 अभी, और आज ही पहुंच जाएंगे. level 5 से आज ही level 10 पे पहुंचेंगे. Okay, I think this you all can do. Curd, milk. That is, one is the raw material and one is the finished product. Milk से दही बनता है. I don't cook, so I wouldn't know, but I am assuming. Okay. Shoes किससे बनते हैं? Leather से. This is easy. This will take 1 minute. Calf, piglet. What? Okay. Shed. So now if you see here, where does the calf stay? Calf stays in a shed. Piglet stays in what? A pigsty. This is where they stay. Okay. Let's see the next one. Easy stuff. Malaria, mosquito. Okay. Now malaria is what? Malaria is what is caused. Okay. Mosquito is the reason. This is the reason and this is the cause. Okay. Poison, death. Now it is written ulta. ये कैसे होना चाहिए? Cause is death because of poison. तो ये नहीं हो सकता. यहाँ देखो क्या है ये? मलेरिया. मलेरिया होता किससे है? मस्कीटो से. तो सेम थिंग, यहाँ डेथ पहले लिखा होता और पॉइजन बाद में, सो वी वुड हैव कंसिडर्ड, बट दैट इज नॉट द केस. ओके, लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. Cholera, water. Cholera is the cause because of contaminated water. I think we can consider this. Let's see the next one. Rat, plague. Again, same thing. Rat is not caused by plague. Plague is caused by rat. So, पहले plague लिखा होता और बाद में rat. So, we would have considered. We can't consider this also. Medicine, disease. This is total opposite. This is not cause. This is how to cure. तो ये तो है ही नहीं. Sorry. ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. सो हमारा आंसर क्या है? कॉलेरा, वाटर. दिस इज इजी. ABC, ZYX, बेसिकली उल्टा लिखा है, XYZ. ओके, सो ABC, CBA, दिस विल बिकम XYZ. सो ABC सीधा लिखा है, ये भी सीधा लिखा है, ये उल्टा लिखा है, ये भी उल्टा लिखा है. इजी स्टफ. ओके, लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. If you all are not understanding, please ask me. Okay, let's go to the next one. Again, easy stuff. 4, 18, 6 what? I don't know, but we know one thing. 4 का स्क्वायर क्या है? 16. ये 16 नहीं है, 16 plus 2 है. Okay, then only you will get 18. There is no other way from 4 how I can get 18. In fact, there are many, but directly 4 से 18 नहीं आ सकता. 4 से 16 आ सकता है. Okay, let's see if this works here. 6 square, 6 6 are 36 plus 2, 38 है क्या? Brilliant, 38 है. Okay, now let's go another type. Assertion and reason. Assertion is a statement. Okay, and it is a statement of fact, and reason is an explanation of the assertion. वापस देखो, assertion means a fact. I'll tell you a fact. Reason for the assertion. Okay. Now let's read it. James Watt invented the steam engine. It is an assertion. It is a fact. It was invented to pump out the water from the flooded mines. Okay. So this is the reason. Q, ये है fact, statement. So can I say both are true? Yes, both are true. And R is the reason, is the explanation of this fact. So it is the correct explanation. So I will go for A. Let's see this. increased levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere would melt the polar ice. It is a fact. If there is more carbon dioxide, it will melt the solar ice. Increased levels of carbon dioxide, but what is the reason why the melting happens? Because it will increase the temperature. So this is the reason, this is a fact, and this is the reason for the fact, and both are true. Okay, easy. Okay, let's see this. Uranium can undergo a nuclear fusion reaction. Okay, now those, before we go, let's understand this. Fusion and fission. Fusion means to join. Fission means to separate. Okay, so uranium can undergo a nuclear fusion reaction, and uranium has a big unstable nucleus. This is true, but uranium doesn't undergo a fusion reaction. Uranium undergoes a fission reaction. Now this is a fact that you need to know. Okay, now assuming that you all know the fact, then only you all can go ahead. So this is untrue. This is not fusion, this is fission. होता क्या है? फिजन होता है यूरेनियम में. वो ब्लास्ट होता है, ब्रेक होता है, सेपरेट होता है, ज्वाइन नहीं होता है. यूरेनियम ज्वाइन नहीं होता है, वो क्या होता है? ब्रेक होता है. सो this is not true, but uranium has a big unstable nucleus, and that is why there is a fission reaction. You need not understand science, you need to understand basic English. Okay, because it has an unstable nucleus, it separates, it breaks, so it is fission. Okay, so sorry, let's go back. A is false but R is true. Okay, baking soda helps reduce stomach acidity, and it is a powerful natural cleaner. Okay, now if it is a natural cleaner, how is it related to reducing stomach acidity? It is not the correct explanation. I understand baking soda helps to reduce stomach acidity, but it is a powerful natural cleaner. So what, it cleans the stomach? There is no connection between acidity and cleaner over here. So though both of them are true, it is not the correct explanation. Okay. Okay, let's do the next one. Plants have green leaves. This is true. I know this, you know this. Plants contain physioerythrin, the green pigment. I don't know, in my school so they said it contains chlorophyll. ये तो इतना साइंस मैंने पढ़ा है कि मुझे पता है कि वो क्लोरोफिल अंदर रहता है. ओके, इट डज नॉट हैव दिस okay, phyioerythrin, that it does not contain for sure. That is what I know. So I know only A is true. Okay, there is baki, everything stated over there is false. Okay, now this is my favorite. Remember I said we will go from level 5 to level 10 today. We are on level 10 now. Blood relations. You will not hate them more. Okay. Let's start. Okay. This is you. This is your mom. And this is your mom's brother. Whose brother? Not your brother. तुम्हारा ब्रदर यहाँ था, मॉम का ब्रदर. तो तुम्हारा क्या हुआ? वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द रिलेशनशिप. हाउ इज ही रिलेटेड टू यू? He will be what? Your, can I say uncle? Okay. Now, same thing. For you, he will be, he is your mom's brother, but he is also your uncle. है ना? अब, your mom's brother has a son. Okay. How is that son and you related? Cousin brother. Okay. You and mom's brother's son is cousin. Okay. अब तुमको यही, so don't get confused. Okay. We will break down the relationships, but keep this clear. Okay. Mom's brother will be your uncle. Okay. Now let's see here. Another example लेते हैं. So your father what will be the relationship of your father with your wife? इनका क्या relationship होगा? So let's say this is Aishwarya Rai, this is Abhishek Bachchan, and this is Amitabh Bachchan. What is the relation between Amitabh and the wife? Abhishek, father-in-law. Okay. Okay. Now, Amitabh's granddaughter. How is Amitabh's granddaughter related to Aishwarya? Daughter होगी ना, but यहाँ क्या है? For Amitabh it will be one more down, है ना? She will be granddaughter. So okay. So यहाँ Ash और अभिषेक का क्या हो जाएगा? Daughter. So what I am trying to say over here is one person can stand in many relationships, like I am a sister, I am a daughter, okay, I am someone's aunt, I am someone's niece, okay. So they will try and give you that this person's niece is that person's daughter. What is the relationship? So don't get confused, okay. We'll break it down. I'll show you the examples. For now, I assuming you all know these relations, father's father, father's mother, ये सब ठीक है. ये याद रखो, father's sister को क्या बोलते हैं? Children of uncle. How are they related to you? Same thing. Children of uncle or aunt, वो cousin ही होंगे. Wife of uncle is aunt. In the English language, what is very good is you don't have kaka, chacha, mama, etc. What you have is uncle and aunt. सिंपल. खाला, फुफ्फी, वो सब नहीं होता है. सिर्फ maternal aunt होता है. ओके, paternal aunt, maternal uncle, paternal uncle. ओके, बट इट्स इन शॉर्ट अंकल ही होता है. मदर्स साइड. ओके, लेट्स गो. Mother's sister is your aunt. Mother's brother is also maternal uncle. Nana, Nani is all maternal grandmother, grandfather. Children of maternal uncle are your cousins. This is important. Okay. हाँ, ये देख लो एक बार. Grandmother से father, maternal uncle, maternal aunt. This is next generation. Then sister, brother, sister-in-law, brother-in-law. इनकी wives होगी ना, या husbands होंगे. So they will become sister-in-law, brother-in-law. Next generation. देन सन डॉटर नेव्यू नीस, ये इन लोग के बीच में क्या रिलेशनशिप है? दीज आर ऑल कजिन्स या रियल ब्रदर रियल सिस्टर, कजिन ब्रदर कजिन सिस्टर. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डोंट गेट एक्साइटेड और हाइपर, इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. एक क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं, आई विल सॉल्व इट फॉर यू, बट लेट्स रीड इट टुगेदर. A man pointing to a photograph says, the lady in the photograph is my nephew's maternal grandmother. How is the lady in the photograph related to the man's sister who has no other sister? Okay, let's read it once again. The lady in the photograph is my nephew's maternal grandmother. How is the lady in the photograph related? Don't get confused at all. We are going to break all the relations down today. So, इसने क्या बोला है? The lady in the photograph is my nephew's maternal grandmother. तो नेव्यू कैसे हुआ? मतलब इट्स अ बॉय. ओके, नेव्यूज तब जाके nephew is nothing but your uncle. So they are brother sister, मतलब this sister is nothing but your mom. So I am writing it down. Okay, मतलब नेव्यू कैसे बना? क्योंकि ये अंकल है. ओके, सो एक ही पर्सन का पहले रिलेशनशिप लिखते हैं. द लेडी इन द फोटोग्राफ इज माई नेव्यूज मटर्नल ग्रैंड मदर. अभी तक तो सिर्फ हम मदर तक ही पहुंचे हैं. ओके, मटर्नल तो ऊपर ग्रैंड मदर आएगा. नेव्यूज ग्रैंड मदर, so wait 1 minute, just let me write it properly. So my nephew's nephew, मतलब यहाँ अंकल या आंट होगी. ओके, so I am the nephew, ऐसा बोला है. The lady in the photograph is my nephew, so this is me. My nephew's maternal grandmother, so this is me. This is the relationship between me and the nephew. अच्छा, nephew का क्या है? The lady in the photograph is my nephew. nephew's grandmother, तो ये me है, and this could be one sister, because they are saying how is the lady in the related to the man's sister who has no other sister. So okay, this is the man sister who has no other sister. Okay, and उसकी grandmother. So this nephew is also someone's son, okay, and that son has a mother. So let's see all this from the nephew's side, this boy's side. If this is the father, this will become the grandfather, correct? ये father होगा. We are talking from the nephew's point of view, who is also someone's son, also someone's grandson. Grandmother, वही who is someone's mother is also someone's grandmother. तो हमने क्या किया, दो relationships लिखे हैं यहाँ. We have written, I'm reading it and we'll see what the lady in the photograph is my nephew's maternal grandmother. तो nephew पहले एक relationship हुआ, is my nephew. So here this is one relationship, okay, aunt and nephew, okay. Another relationship they are saying is nephew's grandmother. तो अगर grandmother लेना है हमको, तो हमको son, some person and then grandmother, okay. Now they are saying that this person over here, this lady is my mother. If she, sorry, this lady in the photograph is my nephew's maternal grandmother. तो अगर, हाँ, अगर वो इसकी grandmother है, तो ये दोनों brother sisters हो गए. And in that relationship, अगर ये mother sister है, they are saying who is this person? इन दोनों का क्या relationship है? This will become mother and daughter. वापस एक बार देखेंगे. The lady in the photograph is my nephew's maternal grandmother. तो पहले nephew is one relationship and then maternal grandmother is another relationship. So we will have two relationships over here. First is aunt and nephew. Another one, same person, okay, is a grandson, okay. So यहाँ उसका father या mother जो भी है and grandmother. Maternal grandmother. Maternal मतलब यहाँ mom side. So उसकी mom होगी, mom sister. How is the lady in the photograph related to the man's sister? Man's sister. So who has no other sister? So if she does not have any other sister, this person, इन दोनों के बीच में क्या relationship हो जाएगा? It will become that of mother and daughter. See here, the lady is the grandmother of man's sister's son. Sister's son, that is the mother of man's sister. The mother of man's sister, so the lady is the man's mother. तो यहाँ इनका क्या relationship है? This lady will become the man's mother. यहाँ क्या relationship है? So since they are sisters, they will become mother daughter over here, and even over here ये उसकी mom है. तो what is the relationship of this lady? It will become that of mother and son. एक वापस देखते हैं another similar thing. A woman introduces a man as the son of the brother of her mother. How is the man related to the woman? So first, again we'll see what are the relationships over here. Introduces a man as the son of the brother of a mother. Son of a brother. Okay, so they are saying son of brother of her mother. A woman introduces a man as the son of the brother. So son of the brother. So this is brother of her mother. So this is मदर का भाई, सन ऑफ द ब्रदर, इसका बेटा. हाउ इज द मैन रिलेटेड टू द, he introduces a man as the son. So we are talking about this man who she introduces as the son of the brother of her mother. Okay, so my mother, so I am introducing, this woman introduces the son of the brother of her mother's brother, मतलब अंकल का बेटा. मदर्स ब्रदर इज नथिंग बट अंकल का बेटा. तो यहाँ व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप? सन ऑफ द ब्रदर ऑफ हर मदर, ऑफ हर मदर मतलब ब्रदर ऑफ हर मदर मीन्स अंकल, है ना? सो कैन आई जस्ट पुट दिस एज अंकल? सन ऑफ अंकल इज व्हाट? सन ऑफ अंकल, cousin, cousin ना? So how is the man related to the woman? In दोनों how are they related? So if I say he is the son of my uncle, मतलब हम दोनों में क्या relationship है? First cousins. Okay, so the answer is cousin. Please change it. यहाँ उन लोग ने गलत दिया है. I think they have written, हाँ, the answer is cousin. They have marked D but D नहीं है. Change करो cousin को. The answer is cousin. Uncle's son is cousin, है ना? That's what they are asking. Okay, let's go to the next one. धीरे धीरे करेंगे. We are in no rush. Okay. Prasanna said the girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother. Who is Prasanna to the girl? Okay. Let's see Prasanna क्या बोल रही है. The girl is the wife sorry, किसकी वाइफ है? ऑफ ग्रैंडसन ऑफ माई मदर. Okay, so first let's figure out where is Prasanna. Prasanna, sorry, just a minute. Can you all see properly? Girl is wife of grandson of my mother. Prasanna says. तो ये प्रसन्ना है, ये प्रसन्ना की मॉम है. Okay. Now we are talking about some girl. Who is she? She is the wife of the grandson of my mother. तो एक रिलेशनशिप हमने ढूंढ लिया. अब दूसरा लेते हैं. Do it with a blue pen. ग्रैंडसन मतलब यहाँ आ गया. ग्रैंडसन कब होगा? अगर यहाँ फादर या मदर आएगी. एंड देन शी बिकम्स ग्रैंड मदर, है ना, तब जाके ये ग्रैंडसन होगा. ओके, गर्ल इज द वाइफ ऑफ द ग्रैंडसन. तो यहाँ क्या है, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हिज वाइफ over here. Of my is the wife of the grandson. Okay, तो ये father या mother है. तो this is Prasanna, who is, I can't figure out whether Prasanna is a girl or a boy, but Prasanna will be what to this person. ये प्रसन्ना का ही बेटा है ना. Girl is the wife. We are talking about this girl. गर्ल इज अ वाइफ ऑफ ग्रैंडसन. तो ग्रैंडसन की वाइफ ऑफ माई मदर, तो वो तो हमको मिल गया. ओके, तो इधर क्या रिलेशनशिप है, प्रसन्ना इज वॉट एवर मदर और फादर. ओके, जो भी है, वेदर डिपेंडिंग प्रसन्ना इज अ गर्ल और अ बॉय. वॉट इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन दिस गर्ल एंड प्रसन्ना. बहू हुई ना. Yes, no. This is grandmother. That we are talking about this relationship. ये प्रसन्ना है, प्रसन्ना की माँ, प्रसन्ना की माँ का ग्रैंडसन, उसकी वाइफ. ओके, हमको ये रिलेशनशिप ढूंढना है. ये रिलेशनशिप क्या है, फादर इन लॉ और मदर इन लॉ का, है ना. बहू होगी. सो द गर्ल इज व्हाट, डॉटर इन लॉ. सो ये क्या हो जाएगा, फादर इन लॉ. क्लियर. नहीं समझ में आया तो पूछो, एक बार वापस देखते हैं. द गर्ल इज द वाइफ ऑफ द ग्रैंडसन ऑफ माई मदर. तो पहले एक रिलेशनशिप तो पता चल गया. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रसन्ना एंड प्रसन्नाज मॉम. एक रिलेशनशिप. ओके, बट द गर्ल इज द वाइफ ऑफ द ग्रैंडसन ऑफ माई मदर. तो अगर ये मॉम का ग्रैंडसन, मतलब मॉम इज ऑल्सो ग्रैंड मदर. Let's take the other relationship for the boy. For the boy, what is she? Grandmother. If she is the grandmother over here, Prasanna automatically becomes the father, or Prasanna, assuming it is, now we know it is a father-in-law. So Prasanna already becomes a dad, है ना. अगर ये grandmother है तो ये फादर हो जाएगा और ये फादर का बेटा हो जाएगा, है ना. देन ओनली ही बिकम्स अ ग्रैंडसन. इसकी वाइफ, इसके बीच में क्या रिलेशनशिप. आर यू गेटिंग इट. ओके, लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. Vimal's mother is the only daughter of my mother. How is Arun related to Ravi? What? If Arun says Vimal's mother is the only daughter of my mother, how is Arun related to Ravi? Okay, let's see. It shouldn't be Ravi. Actually, it should be Arun. Ravi को कुछ भी पूछते. Okay. So let's go ahead. Let's see. Arun says, okay, we are on Arun and Vimal. Let's write what he says. Arun says Vimal's mother is the only daughter of my mother. तो यहाँ विमल है और अरुण है. ओके, माई मदर मतलब अरुण की माँ, है ना, ऑफ माई मदर. सो वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट माई मदर बट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अरुण्स मदर. ओके, यहाँ अरुण लिख देते. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अरुण एंड अरुण्स मदर. Vimal's mother is the only daughter of Arun's mother. Then we are talking about Vimal, and Vimal's mother is the only daughter. Vimal's mother. So we talk about Vimal. Then we talk about Vimal's mother. I'm using red for Vimal. Vimal, Vimal's mother is the only daughter of Arun's mother. Oh, brilliant. So we were on blue for Arun. This is Arun's mother. Okay, अरुण की माँ है, बट एक और चीज है. ओके, ये इज द ओनली डॉटर, तो ये उसका सन हुआ और ये उसकी डॉटर हुई. बिकॉज शी इज सेइंग विमल्स मदर इज द ओनली डॉटर ऑफ अरुण्स मदर. तो पहले अरुण्स मदर ले लेते. ओके, अरुण इज द सन, दिस इज द मदर. ओके, देन दे आर सेइंग विमल्स मदर. ये विमल है, ये विमल की माँ है. विमल्स मदर. नाउ विमल्स मदर इज द ओनली डॉटर. दिस हाउ आर दे रिलेटेड? मदर डॉटर. ओके, तो ये दोनों भाई बहन हो गए. दिस पर्सन हैज, दिस इज ओके. सो नाउ व्हाट इज देयर क्वेश्चन? ओके, how is Arun related to Vimal? इन दोनों का क्या रिलेशनशिप है? ओके, वो रवि नहीं है, वो चेंज करो क्वेश्चन में. इट इज यहाँ, इट शुड बी अरुण. ओके, सो अगेन वी विल सी दिस. विमल्स मदर, आई एम राइटिंग एम. ओके, और ये है अपना विमल. is the only daughter of my mother. Of my mother is Arun's mother. Okay, so this is Arun और ये अरुण की माँ है. ओके, अरुण की माँ. ओके, अरुण की माँ है तो अरुण सन है, बट ये भी उसकी डॉटर है. इज द ओनली डॉटर बोला है, तो कैन आई से Arun and my mother are brother sisters, obviously. Okay, this is the only daughter, they are related. How are these two related? ये उसका अंकल हुआ है ना. Your mom's brother is your uncle. So what is the answer, my friend? No answer, none of these, because the answer is Vimal's maternal uncle. है ना, माँ का भाई. Don't get scared. Okay, we will break it down and you might get it right. Pointing to a man in a photograph, Asha said his mother's only daughter is my mother. How is Asha related to that man? Okay, let's break it down. What does she say? Asha said his mother's only daughter. His mother's only daughter is my mother. Is my mother, my मतलब Asha's mother. Okay, so let's put Asha here. ये है आशा की माँ. ओके, his mother's only daughter is Asha's mother. His mother. So let's say it is his mother. Okay. ये is Asha's, his mother. Wait a minute. His mother is Asha's daughter. His mother's only daughter is Asha mother. So this Asha's mother becomes the daughter. है ना? His mother's what crap, this is so easy. Okay. His mother's only daughter. Only daughter कौन है? Asha's mother. This is Asha's mother. Okay. So ये कौन है? His mother's only daughter is Asha's mother. Okay, now you got the relationship. So what is their question? How is Asha related to that man? भाई हाँ, आशा का ये अंकल हुआ है ना, ये दोनों भाई बहन है, मदर सन. तो ये आशा का क्या लगेगा? आशा विल बी द नीस, दिस वन विल बिकम द अंकल. आशा इज द नीस एंड दिस विल बिकम द अंकल. Okay, आराम से, don't get hyper, break it down. It is not that difficult. There are two people involved. Always understand what happens over here. There are two people involved. Okay, और उसमें से एक का relationship पहले जान लो, फिर दूसरे का relationship जान लो, and then join it. Okay, break it down. It is not as difficult. Let's see the next one. So यहाँ हमको मिल गया niece. Okay, let's go to the next one. A woman going with a boy is asked by another woman about the relationship between them. The woman replied, I'm sorry, 1 minute. A woman going with a boy is asked by another woman about the relationship between them. The woman replied, my maternal uncle and the uncle of his maternal uncle is the same. How is the lady related with that boy? Break it down. पहले वो boy का relationship समझो वो lady के साथ, and then we will connect their uncles. Okay? So we are breaking it down. My maternal uncle. So there is a woman, let's call her X. Okay? X. So what she says, my maternal uncle, I'm writing it down. My maternal uncle. And the uncle of his maternal uncle. And the uncle of his maternal uncle is same. Okay, how is the lady related with that boy? So we have called for that lady, let's call her for all purposes x. Okay. Now she says my maternal uncle. So इसका पहले maternal uncle बना लेते हैं. maternal uncle कैसे बनेगा? माँ, maternal means माँ का भाई. Okay. My maternal uncle and the uncle of his maternal uncle. Okay. So now अब इसको ये boy को बना लेते. boy का uncle. So it could be mother's brother. ओके ये मदर्स ब्रदर हो गया. और इसका अंकल, द अंकल, ये अंकल हो जाएगा. ये उसकी माँ है, माँ का भाई. इसका अंकल दैट इज हाँ mother's brother. It is the same person. Okay. So again I have just made the relationship. Let's see if it is right. My maternal uncle, this person, this तो अंकल होगा. ओके. एंड द अंकल ऑफ हिज maternal uncle, ये बॉय है, बॉय का ये अंकल हुआ. उसका अंकल, माँ का भाई. ओके. ये अंकल हो जाएगा. दे आर नॉट सेइंग अंकल ऑफ द बॉय, दे आर सेइंग अंकल का अंकल, अंकल ऑफ हिज अंकल. So it is the same person. So now they are asking, how are these two related? So now अगर यहाँ इनका रिलेशनशिप यहाँ नहीं है, X being the lady, okay, she could be the mother's sister. Assume mother's sister. ये माँ है ना, लड़के की माँ है, माँ का भाई, माँ की बहन है. Okay, so they are asking what is the relationship over here? Because it is going one generation down, this is one generation up, this is one generation up, one generation down, and this is another further generation down. So direct relationship होता तो अगर यहाँ होता तो you would have said son या daughter, but यहाँ है, so you would say it is uncle. अरे uncle नहीं है यहाँ, sorry, aunt and nephew. boy है तो aunt and nephew. Okay, let's go to the next one. Aram se. A man said to a lady, your mother's husband's sister is my aunt. How is the lady related to the man? Again, what does this lady say? Your mother's husband's who's your mother's husband? Your mother's husband is what? Father, na? So can I just put father instead? Mother's husband. So your father's sister is my aunt. Okay. So we are talking a man said to a lady. So man says that my father's sister your father's sister is my aunt. Who are you? So your father's sister is my aunt. So we are what? Brother sisters, na? You and me. Your father's sister is my aunt. सेम ही रिलेशनशिप हुआ. देखो, father's sister is my aunt. तो if she is my aunt, she is also your aunt, ना? वापस देखो. Your mother's husband is nothing but your father. Dad. Dad's sister is my aunt. Okay. A man, so we call man, says that this lady who is your dad's sister is my aunt. How is the lady related to that man? Who is he telling? To this lady. Okay, that your father. तो दोनों क्या हो गए? Brother sister हो गए ना? How is the lady related? They are siblings. Then only they will have the same aunt. Okay, let's go to the next one. I think that is the last one for today. If X is the brother, if X is the brother of the son of Y's son, how is X related? X is the brother of the son of Y, is the brother of Y's son. How is X related to Y? So we'll break it down. X is the brother. तो पहले Y का बेटा. Okay. X कौन है? He is the brother. मतलब this is X. Is the brother of Y's son. How are they related? दोनों भाई है. X is the brother of Y's son. X is the brother of Y's son. Who is Y? And how is X and Y related? Please can you tell me? X is the brother of the son. Sorry, is the brother of Y's son. If I say Y's son, they will be brother sisters, na? Are they will be brothers. Correct, na? Y's son, Y का बेटा का भाई. So let's say your dad's son's brother is you. So who's your dad's other son? Is your brother. है ना? But now they have added one more thing. X is the brother of the son of Y's son. So is the brother of son of Y's son. तो हमको Y's son मिल गया. They are saying he is the son of Y's son. So this is why. Okay, so now how are you related? Y's son is your father, correct? So what is X and Y related? Grandson, है ना? Son of Y's son. Y's son होता तो easy होता, father son. But Y, son of Y's son will become grandson. Okay? देखते हैं क्या वैसा? Son of Y's son. तो don't get confused. धीरे धीरे. पहले son Y बनाओ, Y का son बनाओ, Y son, son of Y's son, son of y is सन, ये y है, y is सन का सन, ऐसा बनाया। y सन होता तो यहाँ एंड कर देते, y is सन, सन और y सन, यहाँ 2 बार है ना सन। ओके, नाउ दे आर सेइंग x इज द ब्रदर ऑफ द सन, यहाँ x यहाँ आ जाता है, दोनों भाई है, भाई भाई, ओके, दोनों भाई है। सो नाउ हाउ आर दीज टू रिलेटेड? तो अगर ये सन है तो ये फादर है, ये ग्रैंडफादर है ना। सी द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट ब्रदर सिस्टर इज, जो रिलेशन तुम्हारे भाई या बहन का होगा अपवर्ड्स, सेम रिलेशनशिप विल बी ऑफ योर्स ऑल्सो, है ना। जो सन, डैड, ग्रैंडफादर, सेम रिलेशनशिप विल बी ऑफ द ब्रदर और सिस्टर। अगर तुम्हारी नानी है या नाना है तो तुम्हारे भाई या बहन का भी नाना या नानी ही होगी। ओके, सो इफ यू गेट दिस रिलेशनशिप जस्ट रेप्लिकेट इट हियर, सिंपल। ओके, now I'll request, so we are done for today. I'll request you all to do one thing. Whatever we did in the relationships जो हमने किए थे, go back and revise it once again. If you all don't understand, message me, WhatsApp me, call me, and I'll be able to help you. Okay, चलो, thank you so much.